dangerous storms will be near Monrovia around 8:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Monrovia Airfield and Oakwa.
Alright, let's hope my 262 goes off this time. I have it set to all locations. Alert is on.
Those are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado.
Not filter yet.
Cover now.
Oh, there we go. Well, I'm done.
The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Logan, I'm done.
Northeastern Pepin County, southeastern Duncan.
I'm literally done.
Eau Claire County until
Going outside.
9:15 p.m.
Logan, I'm literally done. It didn't go off.
Thunderstorms were located
issue
along
Claire
the line
outside the
extending from near
Logan!
9 miles west of Independence to near Galesville.
Logan!
At 65 miles per hour.
I know, but there's 20 outside.
Yeah, I need to figure out what's wrong with this stupid 62 thing.
Here go, going off, Eau Claire.
Wait, their sirens are going off?
Yeah, I hear 'em.
Oh my god! Hold on, let me open the window. Oh, I hear them! Sirens are going off. I'll have to figure out my 262 sometime.
In effect until 11 p.m. for West Central
Yeah.
Wisconsin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Going on right home, Miles.
Until 11 p.m. for West Central
Yeah,
Wisconsin.
what's the call? I'm going to report this. You'll report this. I'll be in the call today. I'm going to report this.
Sirens are going off. That's crazy.